Metro Arms American Classic Compact Commander 45. This is from the safe to the range, but it's not from my safe. This is from the firearm guy's safe. He loaned this to me actually a while back. He's coming to pick it up, so I figured I probably ought to shoot it again just to see how this thing works. Thanks for joining us on Riders Range. We're going to shoot this 45 a little bit today. Interesting and affordable gun, and with some really nice details. Now, this gun is made in the Philippines, but it's also very well made. Now, this is a stainless model. It's kind of hard to find these days. The stainless is a little scarce. They do make one that's hard chrome. They make one that's blued. Also make a two-tone, but the straight stainless are a little hard to find. This gun actually compares favorably to one of my all-time favorite guns, the Dan Wesson Pointman Carry. These are both 4 1/4 inch uppers, so basically a commander upper on an officer size frame, which means it holds 7 rounds in the magazine. Details on this are actually fairly well done. The trigger, see if we get some focus there, is actually serrated on the, it's actually checkered on the front. Got some nice inletting on the side, not just the typical 3-hole, but it's actually recessed in there some. The hammer has some detail work on it, not necessary, but it's a nice visual touch. Overall, this is a well-fitted gun. Now the extractor doesn't fit quite as nicely as the one on the Pointman Carry does. But again, it's for a Philippines gun, it's actually fairly nicely done. Decent beaver tail, just striations on the grip frame in the back. Smooth grip on the front, nothing there. Not really an undercut trigger guard either. Decent thumb safety, plenty of purchase on it. Dawson type 3-dot sights. You already know my opinion on 3-dot sights, and we'll see how this one works on the range here in a few minutes. Let's see what else about this gun. Oh, trigger runs pretty consistent, just over 4.5 pounds. It, by the way, this no magazine, chamber clear, and see if I can get it there. A little bit of take up. It does have a little bit of vertical play too. You won't see that on a more expensive gun. A little bit of creep, not much, and virtually no over travel. It does have an over travel stop on it. Again, 4.5 pounds, pretty regular, and very nice feeling gun. We're going to see how it shoots here in just a minute here on Riders Range. Let's see what else about this. A nice plain slide on that side. This side, no billboard, just says American Arms Compact, or American Classic Compact Commander. And again, on this side it does say it's made in Manila in the Philippines. The top of the slide is smooth, and it's a slight matte finish, not quite as dull as it is on the Dan Wesson PMC. And let's see, it has nice wooden grips on it. They're not a heavily checkered, but we'll see how they work when it actually gets around to shooting it. The magazine release is just a little bit extended on this. I do like that, and gets a good grip on the magazine release without having to change my grip on the pistol when I'm shooting it. This gun is a steel frame, and again, it's all stainless, and it comes in at around 38 ounces empty, about 43 when it's loaded up. So a little on the heavy side, at least a little heavy for me to carry, but certainly manageable. And it's just about a 1/2 ounce heavier than the Pointman Carry. So these are pretty comparable guns, but again, you're talking about a $1,500 to $1,600 gun with the Dan Wesson versus about 6.5, give or take, for the Metro Arms American Classic Compact Commander. Let's put some eyes and ears on, and first thing I'm going to do is see how this works at 15 yards, and then we'll take it over to the plates. All right, Metro Arms American Classic Compact Commander. We're going to try it at 15 yards and just see where it's hitting on the target. Pulled a couple of those, but shooting a little bit to the left. Right, still good enough to hit the plates. As long as I compensate to the right, we should be okay. American Classic Compact Commander at 12 yards on the plates. Let's just run the plates one time and see how that works. So I can miss that last one. Got to remember to compensate by holding a little bit to the right on that. All right, let's set up at 25 yards. We'll give this Compact Commander a quick run at 25 yards. May even go through a couple of mags if I'm having fun with it, if I can remember to hold it just a hair to the right. We're going to start off, we're using my hand loads, by the way. We're going to start out using the one mag that came with the gun. Does have a nice base pad on it. Makes it easy if not quite as concealable. Gives a little extra room on the little finger if you need that on the officer size frame. I really don't, my hands aren't all that big, but it also makes it easier to reload without pinching the hand. 25 yards. Start with the 12 inch on the left. All right, hold to the right, hit the 8 inch. There we go. Silhouette. 10 inch. That's not good. A little bit of a hang up there, but easy to reset with my thumb on the back of the slide. All right, let's go to the 10 inch on the far right. All right, I don't know if I hit that or not. Let's try the center of the silhouette, the white center on the orange silhouette. Looks like it hit above it. Try that again. Another one. I don't know if that's my reloads or not. We may have to try a different one. And this one is not going home by just pressing the back of the slide. Alright, we got the pelvis out. Let's see if I can get it back. Hey, how about that? One name in the pelvis. Let's check it out. All right, that's 25. Did have a couple of hiccups there with it, and let's take it out to 50. All right, I got 2 magazines of Remingtons. These are factory. Let's see if these give us any hiccups. I'll run both bags at 50, and got to remember to hold to the right. See if I can hit anything with this Compact Commander. Again, even that one did not want a seat without a little extra help. Silhouette first. Alright, got it. Looks like I might have hit it on the right side. Let's try the 12 inch next to it. No, try it again. There we go. 12 inch high right, the white one with the orange center. No. No. Last shot on that magazine. Alright, can we do a 10? Let's try the white 10 way over on the left. That was a lucky shot. How about the orange 10 next to it? Yeah, let's go back to silhouette. And that's it. At least it ran those okay for the most part. Metro Arms American Classic Compact Commander 45, 4 1/4 inch barrel, officer size frame, some nice cosmetic features on it, and I'm going to attribute those couple of hang-ups to the fact that this gun is probably not really broken in yet. I don't think the firearm guy has shot it a lot, and at this point you can see what I got out of it. So it's what, 35 rounds or so. I'm sure that it will break in nicely. If you like this video, we appreciate a thumbs up. Any comments on this video, please put them down below. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe, click on notifications so you know what's coming up on Riders Range. Comments on anything else, please send them to info@ ridersrange.com. Check our website, www.ridersrange.com. Please like, please share. The more notice we can get, the better we'll show up in the YouTube algorithm, so we do appreciate it. I want to thank you for visiting Riders Range.